Hi everyone, this is Yadharth, a 2021 passed out BE Mechatronics engineer. After graduation, I worked for 2 months in a core company and realized that core company was really not my thing. So I planned to change my sector. Only at that time, I came across GUVI's full stack developer Zen program. Yes, the training was difficult. JavaScript, data structures, algorithm, React.js, Node.js, but you want to know how I overcame those? Well, it's only because of the kind mentors who gave their shoulder whenever I was about to fall. And as a result, I got placed at a company called Straive. So I really wholeheartedly thank my mentors and their hardworking placement team for that. So, my friends, not only if you want to change sectors from core to IT or service based, product based, but also want to learn a new skill or even want a good start as a fresher, I assure you that you can put your trust in GUVI Zen program mentors. Thank you, everyone.